Hi, to check mobile data and Wi-Fi usage on your Redmi Note 14, just open Settings and here find more connectivity options. After that, scroll a bit down and now you should see this tab Data Usage. So basically here you can check how much mobile data each app uses. For example, in my case, most of the data is used by system apps. This is from today information, but we can tap here and switch from today to yesterday or last month or this month. Now to check actual amount, just take a look right here. For example, I used 189.7 kilobytes. Now we can also tap on those sliders in the upper right corner and check Wi-Fi usage. So, as you can see, in my case, most of Wi-Fi is used by system apps again, but we can also check any other app from the list. For example, Gallery Editor. And we can also find this graph here. We can disable mobile data, Wi-Fi, and background data for this particular app. For that, you need to tap on those switchers. And basically, you can do the same thing for each app from this list. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.